Hi, good morning. Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. So here, so how many members are installed the Flutter and how many members not installed the Flutter? So can you raise your hand? Are there in class? Yeah. Hello. Yeah, Pravalika, Venkat, Madhuri, Naveen. So I need everyone response in the class. I need a presence from everyone.
Yes, miss, I have installed.
Yeah, Venkat. So Pradeep already installed, right? From your Mac, your system, laptop.
Yeah, I already configured that.
Okay. So Venkat, you don't know, right?
Yes, I'm done. I have
Okay. So
installed.
okay. So Naveen, Madhuri. Plus, so there is a flutter.dev. So this is a website for the official website for the Flutter. So flutter.dev. So there is a see. So this is official website for that. Okay. In that website, so first step is install the Flutter in our computer. Okay. So you have a Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or whatever it is. Okay. So you can select this particular OS and you can verify the what is the system requirement here. Okay. So for the Windows, these are the following steps to install our Flutter in our Mac, Mac or Windows. So this is steps for the Windows. So Windows install. So there is a Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Most of the people are using these three, and I think. So click on the Windows. There is a operating system Windows 10 or later. This is a minimum. This is a configuration required for the Flutter installation. Okay. And so here, so download the following install history. And so now these are the second step. Unzip this file. So update your path in environment variable, and then now you can check the Flutter install or not. Okay, so I think I'm using the Mac, so don't confuse this. So here is terminal is there. Okay, for your case, command line, right? Okay, so everyone open the command line and type this. What I will tell you that command. Just type that, guys. I'm asking the question in the class, so how to answer. So don't put in mute, please. Okay. So I need everyone presence in the class. Otherwise, don't join the class. Okay. So first of all, yeah, Madhuri. Yes, Madhuri is there. Okay. So internet problem. So and next, Pravalika. Pravalika.
Yes, he respond in the chat actually.
Mm, yeah. Okay. So did you install the Pravalika? So yesterday class I didn't tell anything. Okay, so that's why I'm asking that. So do you install the Flutter in your laptop or not? Okay, that's it. That is I'm asking. So I think Venkat is installed and Naveen is installed. Naveen, what about you? I think you are installed, right? Okay. I think you guys are facing a problem with internet. Okay. So first of all, so if the install the Flutter is correct or not, and if you have any problem in the Flutter installation and any requirement, how you know that? So there is one command is so Flutter doctor. So this command is identify what is the required thing, and if Flutter install not, what is a Flutter's version, everything will get it from the Flutter doctor. See, so I'm typing the Flutter doctor. So in my
Mm,
Mac,
My here question is, should I go and check in the installed location, or can I check it in anywhere in the command prompt?
no, not install location. That's why I'm asking. I'm
Mm-hmm.
telling that. So
Mm,
throughout any open the command line. You can verify any. Okay,
okay.
so that command should available throughout the system, not in particular location.
Okay.
Okay, so before install that, you have to install like that only. It should be global available that particular SDK. Okay,
Yes.
so can you open the terminal and run this command? So now after run the command, see this is a tick mark is there and the question mark is there and into mark is there. And top and sorry and the bottom, so doctor found one issue in one category. See, there is a different categories is there, right? So first one is what is the green tick mark is that is a successfully it's done, and what is the question mark and into mark it is that is we need to do from our side. Okay, so there is a doctor summary, see all the details. Okay, so there is a issue with the Android in my machine. Okay, so for that I need to do these are the steps for the available the Flutter. So Flutter of Android for the Flutter, and Xcode is there because of I'm using the Mac, right? So Xcode is developed for iOS and Mac OS. The Xcode is 4.1 is there, and Chrome for development web. Android Studio also installed, and VS Code also installed. Connected 4 devices. So 4 devices means emulators. Okay, so that is emulators. The 4 emulator is available presently. See, this is one emulator. See, you can see right. This is one emulator. You can see this is one device.
Yes.
You can see this is one device. Okay, so this is one device and this is one device. This device is called as emulator, and this device is called as the simulator. Please note down, guys. Okay, which one is iOS related?
Simulate.
That is the one simulator. This is emulator. So that is the differentiation between this. So now, how many devices are available now? The
Four.
four devices available, right? So that 4 devices, two device and one other device also there. Okay, so totally 4 devices there. I can run the project any devices out of 4. Okay, you can choose that. I will tell you that how can you choose the different devices. So what is the command
What
I'm
are
typing here? Yeah.
Flutter doctor? So what are the other two devices? apart from this
I
military
think
subject?
I think Chrome. Let me
Mm,
show you. Okay. Once I run the project, you can see the all the available devices there. Okay.
okay.
So mostly two and other one Chrome, other one Mac OS, I think. So let me see that. Once
Yeah.
I create the project, you can see that once I run the command, so you can see the all the list of devices. So in the list of devices, you can verify any kind of devices. Okay.
Okay.
So now
Yeah.
this is a very important command for the Flutter doctor. So Flutter doctor is identify the so what is the issues and what is the Flutter available channels is there and everything. Okay, this is clear. Please note down, guys. So I will tell the commands, are important commands. Just you have to note down that. So Flutter doctor. This is a and next one is see what is the website for the official website for the Flutter.dev, right?
Mm.
So flutter.dev is the official website. And then, so there is a pub.dev also there. Please note down this one. We'll discuss later this one. This is very important. So we can check, we can get the packages from here. So pub.dev is a one website and flutter.dev is a one website. The flutter.dev is a website for the, so this is official website for Flutter. So you can, there is a, see, there is a list of documents is there. This is a user guide. You can go through the, this anything, you can learn easily. This is a very well documented. Okay. Let's say, see, so let's say development, there is a use introduction widgets. There is very explanation, very good explanation is there in the website. This is official website by the Flutter. You can verify this. There is a development section is there, data backend section is there. So platform integration, package and plugin. There is a say add a Flutter to existing app and deployment. There is a different categories is there. Testing and debugging also there. So auto testing, auto test, auto debug. These are the official website for the Flutter. Okay, if you have any doubt, if you want to learn anything, you can go to this website. You can learn that. Okay, and come to this pub.dev. So this is the website for the sets for the packages. So how many packages? If you want to any package, for the example, if you want to if you want to the network connection is there. So for the network connection, the .pub packages provide one package that is an HTTP per DO packages. So how can I get this? You can set this here and you can find the packages and you can go through the documentation. Based on that, based on the instruction, we will integrate our project, this package into our project. Okay. So the pub.dev is the packages getting, and flutter.dev is the official website for that. Okay, it's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. So now next step is, so I want to create the Flutter project. How can I create the Flutter project? So how many members are using the Android Studio here? Please raise your hands. How many members are using Android Studio? How many members are using the VS Code? See, guys, the response is very important in the class. Otherwise, don't join the class, please. This is important. Yes. Okay.
I'm using Android Studio.
You're using Android Studio. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Android Studio is for from the Android Studio we can create a Flutter project very easy. Okay. So let's say without Android Studio, how can you create the project? I will explain that. Okay. Got it
Okay.
right? Yeah. So now I told you yesterday. So iOS, Android, web. Okay. So while creating the project, they will that the command is create the project with the different folders. That is iOS, Android, web. But inside the folder, we can there is a different languages there. For iOS, Objective C Swift language is created. For Android, Java or Kotlin. Web is JavaScript. Okay, HTML. So while creating the project, we can choose the language also. but not required now. Just I will explain the how to create a Flutter project. I will explain that one first. So, okay, after that, I will tell you that how can you choose the different languages for the different platform. For example, if the guys is coming from the iOS or Android, what is a Android, they will, okay, for example, any package is not available in the Flutter. We can write a code in iOS and Android, we can merge into the Flutter. That is called as a platform channel concept. I will explain that. First of all, first we'll go to the how to create a project. Okay. What is the command? Anyone knows the command for the create the project?
No.
Okay. That's so everything. So instead of graphical creation of the Flutter project, we can go like the command. Flutter space create and project name. And this is very important. The project name should be small letter, not capital letter. Okay, while creating the project. Okay, I will show that error also. Let me create with the project name with a capital letter. What I get error, I will tell you that. Okay, so this is a command for the. This is one command. This other command already I told you. What is the other command, guys?
Flutter dot.
Yeah, this is a command. This is a command for to verify the what is the identification found by Flutter, and based on the Flutter doctor, we resolve that issues. Okay, so which one is into mark or question mark? The exclamation mark. Sorry. So if it's a green tick mark, he successfully installed our in our Mac or Windows. Now this is second command for the Flutter create project name. This is another command. This is another command. This is another command for the create the Flutter project. Let me open the terminal. And so here, this is a terminal in our case command line tool. So Windows is command line tool, and so for the Mac, this is a terminal. So now, where I want to create the project, I want to choose the folder name. Okay, I want to choose the folder. Okay, let's clear. Let's clear all the screen. The clear is a command. This is a clear all the screen. If it's a clear also, we can. So there is the top, but so it's clear for present window. Now I'll go to that desktop. Now where am I? Which folder am I? Desktop folder, right? I think the Mac is very confused for you, but the concept is same for concept. Flutter concept is same, but OS is different here. So now, so in this desktop, I want to create a new folder. There is an option for the create a new folder. Flutter plus. Okay. So CD space. See. Okay, I want to create the project in the particular folder. That's why I'm creating the folder in the desktop. Okay, after the desktop, I want to get that particular folder in that. So in that location only, I will create a Flutter project. So what is the folder name? CD space.
Flutter plus.
Now, where am I? Which folder am I now?
Flutter
Flutter
class.
class.
So in this folder, I will create a project. See, while creating the project, we need to choose the folder name, right? So that is the folder is the Flutter classes. In the Flutter classes folder, I will execute this command. What is the command?
Flutter create project name.
Yes, super. Flutter create project name means test like that. Okay.
Test.
Let's say, yeah. So I will start with a capital letter. What we'll see. Okay. Okay. See, what is this one? What is error? So first of all, see, instead of getting the output, we should know the error first. Okay. So find the error. That's important. Okay. So finding the error. So there is a, what is the error here?
Valid.
Test is not
The
a
name is not
valid.
valid for the dot package.
Yeah, because of I entered the T is a capital, right? So test is not a valid dot package. That means that there is not a valid package means that is not valid one. Because of we need to create a project with a small letter. That is the first thing. Okay, please note. Okay, let me create this again. The Flutter create the project name. Okay, what is the project name? Guys, tell me that.
Test.
So,
Test
Sample
small.
project.
okay, before we'll create with our class like class. What is a okay? We'll create one project with okay test present not test the first project like that. We can use underscore also, no problem. Can use underscore. Okay. Now see. Now you can see this folder also. See, it's created, right? So now, what is the project name here?
First project.
Okay. So this is a command for the create the project, flutter space, create space, and first project. The first underscore project is a project name. So the flutter is not allowed to create a with a capital letter. That is a test. Okay. So this is a okay. So this is creation of the project. Okay, we done the creation of the project, but after creation of project, so this folder is created. See how many folders are created here?
This many.
Yeah, this many. So in this folder, what is the folder names here?
Android, iOS, LIB, Linux,
Hmm.
Mac OS.
Hmm.
That means wherever it is required to deploy, right? Those are all available here.
Yes, yes. Now, see, while creating the project, so these are the folders for the different platform. Okay, iOS is there, Android is there, Mac OS, Linux, Web, Windows. So
Hmm.
these are the different platform. Okay, but we'll write a code in the lib only. Okay, the lib file we are writing the code. The respected code is generated in the different folder. That folder will based on our target we can use that one. Okay, got it right?
Yeah. Uh,
Uh, I
so
will
that
explain
means,
each and every folder. Yeah.
yeah, yes, sir, yeah. So that means we can create a project in any location, right? Not only the desktop where we download the Flutter
Oh,
package.
yeah, anywhere,
Okay, okay.
no problem. So, but don't install in your the Flutter location. Okay, Flutter location is C driver you are install, right? So
Yeah.
this Flutter you can use the D driver of the driver.
Okay, got it. Sure.
Okay, don't go to what is the SDK location. Anywhere we can create that. No problem.
Okay.
But while installing the Flutter, that Flutter is available globally.
Okay.
Got it right?
Yeah.
Not a
Got
particular
it.
location. Not a particular where you install the SDK. Not the particular location.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So what I would say, that's why the Flutter. See here I'm entering the Flutter doctor, but I'm not go to the Flutter SDK path, right? This is a global one. So this means that the my Flutter commands is available throughout my computer, not only particular Flutter SDK path. That right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Got it. Sure.
So now this project creation also wherever you want, I can create a project. Okay. Okay. So
Yes.
now, okay. It's clear for other members. No problem. చెప్పండి ప్లీజ్ చెప్పండి పర్లేదు అర్థమైందా అర్థం కాలేదు సో ఓన్లీ
Yes,
two
yes.
members are following my class Venkat and Pradeep. What about other members? You guys are sleeping.
they
See,
might have.
I will interact with each and every member. Definitely. Okay. Daily I will check the task also. Okay. ఇలా మౌనంగా ఉంటే అవ్వదు. You have to open up. Otherwise మీరు క్లాస్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వద్దు. No problem. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఓపెన్ అవ్వకపోతే మీకు ఏంటి రాదు, డెఫినెట్గా ఏంటి రాదు. నా క్లాస్ నేను చెప్పుకెళ్ళిపోతా. ఓకే, నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ అ VS కోడ్. యూ కెన్ సీ దట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అ విజువల్ కోడ్. నేను విజువల్ కోడ్లో చెప్తా. ఓకే, నాట్ ఆండ్రాయిడ్ స్టూడియో. దట్స్ దిస్ VS కోడ్ ఇస్ లైట్ వెయిట్. ప్లీజ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ everyone. So our member will install the VS code.
Yes, I
No.
am done.
Pradeep, please install the VS code.
Yeah, I'll do it today.
Okay. What about others? The Zoom is provide the chart also, chart box also. You can go to the chart and you can type like a WhatsApp if you're not talking. Okay. See guys, ఇలా ఉంటే కాదు, మీరు అవుట్పుట్ ఇస్తారని నేను చెప్పగలను. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ వేర్ యూఆర్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డేస్ నాకేం అర్థం కాలేదు, సార్ ఏం చెప్పట్లేదు అనకూడదు. ఓకే, బట్ మీరు ఎక్కడున్నారో చెప్తే నేను చెప్తా క్లాస్. మీరు సరదాగా మీరు జాయిన్ అవ్వలేదు, నేను సరదాగా క్లాస్ చెప్పట్లేదు. ఓకే, సో everyone should learn these concepts. So before going to the class, so VS code is important, Flutter install is important. Yeah, the VS code, no, please install the VS code. So Naveen said VS code is no. Pravalika, I don't know. Okay. Okay. VS code is lightweight, and this is a lightweight. So after install the VS code, go to this extension. Please install this extensions .flutter. Okay.
Both.
Go to the extension. Yeah, Venkat.
No, should install both, right?
Yeah, you need to install the both. Okay, so this extension, after install the VS code, go to this extension. See, there is a 5 tabs is there here. This is explore, this is the search, this is the source control. I will explain the source control later. The source control is related to Git, Bitbucket, and so other GitLab. And this is the run and debug. This is the extension. Okay, in this extension, already I have installed these other Flutter and dot. Okay, you can go to this one and type the dot. You can find the dot one, this one. So this is, see, already I installed this one. If you want to disable, just disable. If you want to install, you can directly uninstall this one. Okay, and Flutter. The Flutter also installed. So this is very important after VS code installation to your laptop. It's clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
I have created a project, right? I have created this project, the first underscore project. This project, I need to write some code. For that, I choose the VS code. Okay. So I want to open this existing I want to open this creation of project in the VS code. How can I create? How can you open the VS code in this project? There is a explore. There is a open folder option is there. Go to the open folder, click on this, and go to the desktop and Flutter class and Flutter project and open. My project is open here, right? See, all our package, all our folders are came here.
Okay.
Got it right? Okay. Now story starts. So Android, this Android, the iOS is there. Linux, macOS, and lib. So in the lib folder, the main.dot is that this is the entry point of the application. The application will start from the main.dot. Please remember this one. This is important. So in this main.dot, we can, this is existing code, already predefined code is there. If you run this project, the existing code will run. This what is the existing code is provided by Flutter, that will run into emulator, simulator, whatever it is. Okay. Okay. iOS folder, Android folder, Linux folder, macOS folder. This is a test folder, but writing the unit test case or integration test case. This is a web and web. These are the different platform for the targeted platforms. Now, other important thing is pubs.yaml file. This is very important. This is a configuration file. The pubs.yaml file, in the YAML file, we integrate third-party packages. Team, please join after the meeting end, okay? I think the meeting will ended in 1 or 2 minutes, 1 minute. Okay, let me rejoin. Please rejoin everyone.